Why are there not more people talking about cats in the kitchen? You need to watch this if you struggle with finding joy in cooking. Meet Chef Whiskers, the quirkiest cat in town. Today he's on a mission to whip up the perfect meal. First up, a daring dive into the flour bag. Ploof! Who knew baking could be this fun? Next, he's juggling eggs like a pro, but oh no, look out for those egg explosions. Chef Whiskers doesn't let a little mess slow him down. Now for the piece de resistance, a tuna tartare with a twist, catnip garnish. With a flick of his tail and a dash of mischief, Chef Whiskers serves up a dish that's positively delectable. Bon appetit, kitty style. So next time you're in the kitchen, think of Chef Whiskers and cook with a little more fun. Meow-mazing, right? See you next time in the feline kitchen.